connective audio interface right here. This is the device that you'll connect to your speakers into your mixer to use with Torq. As you'll see on the back, there are 4 inputs and 4 outputs, along with a ground screw and USB connector. And on the front, you also have jacks for your headphones and for a microphone. Now, the most basic setup is to just plug your main speakers into output A of the connective. So left into left, right into the right, and that basic connection will power your will feed your main speakers, and then you can plug your headphones into the headphone jack on the front, and then you're able to cue your music using the cue knob and headphone volume knob on the top. The basic setup of the connective is such that the master output feeds outputs 1 and 2, and the cue output is set to 3 and 4, which is going to the headphones right now. This is how you use the internal mixer mode, meaning that anything that is played here will be mixed by Torq's internal mixer, the song on the left or the song on the right, and as you'll see, the crossfader fades between them. It's also possible to use the connective with an external mixer, such as the one I have here. You're going to need to be able to feed 2 individual channels of signal to this mixer in order to be able to mix it using the crossfader here. So simply connect the second output of the connective, and now these 2 channels, or these go into the left side of the mixer, while these 2 channels here go into the right side of the mixer. In Torq, you'll switch the mixer mode to external, and now you'll see that playing the song on the left and playing the song on the right is now controlled externally through this mixer instead of being controlled internally inside Torq. There are also 2 sets of inputs here on the back of the connective. This is where you're going to hook up your turntables if you want to use external control. The left turntable will hook up to input A, and the right turntable will hook up to input B. If you're using CDJs, you'll hook them up to the same inputs here, but instead of choosing phono as the input, you'll switch over to line.